Let's see how an engineer and a business person could collaborate together to create a data quality contract. Here I am at my Soda Cloud instance. I have 3 tables. We're gonna go to the retail orders table. I can already see that there are some data quality checks on this table, and the way we add data quality checks in Soda is through data quality contracts. So I see that there are some checks that are failing, others are passing, and other columns don't have a check. So I'm gonna add a check on the discount column. The way a business person could do it is that they can come through the UI, edit the contract, scroll down through the columns, and simply add a check. In this case, I want to add I want my discount to be always positive. So whenever there's a discount that has a negative value, I want Soda to alert me. So I'm gonna create a validity check where minimum value is 0. So I'm gonna name this check no negative values. And that's it. That's the way you could the simple way to add a data quality check in the UI. If I want to take a look at the code, I could come here and check the code version of the check that I've just added. Let's say that I'm working together with an engineer on this contract, so I'm not gonna go ahead and publish it right now, but instead I'm gonna create a request to notify my engineer that I've just added the check, and so then they can verify it in their own code base and approve the changes. So I'm gonna create this request. I'm gonna name it discount column should be positive. I'm gonna put that as a comment as well. And there you go. Now I can interact with my engineer. Now let's assume that I'm that engineer. So I'm gonna go to my code base where I have the code version of that same contract that we just saw. But in this case, if I scroll down to this discount column, I see that there's no check. That's because I haven't synchronized the local version of this contract with the Soda version. To do that, the engineer could come here to the terminal and do Soda request. I'm gonna fetch, and I want to fetch in this case the request number 6 because that's the request that I've just created. So I'm gonna fetch it, and this should pull. Indeed, it pulled the latest version of the contract. So here we can see where the change that the business person just made. It looks fine, but I'm not blindly gonna trust it. In this case, I want to verify the contract, so I'm gonna type contract verify, and this is gonna do a local verification of the contract. So it's gonna run locally some checks, and I can see that it's running. Some checks are failing because there's some data quality issues, but that's all right. That's a good news that we're working together with the business to fix those issues. And now finally, since things are looking good, I could actually go and publish the contract to Soda Cloud. Contract publish. This should now synchronize my local changes to Soda Cloud. So when the business user comes to Soda and refresh their instance, there should be a new contract here that they could verify and schedule to run every day. And that's it. That's how a business user could collaborate through the UI with a technical user using code and Soda.